Do you want to take your creativity to the next level? Are you interested in exploring the possibilities of artificial intelligence? Well, now you can with Runway AI. Runway AI is an AI-powered creative toolkit that allows you to editing your videos, photos, and text. Without any professional experience, easily create your own design. With Runway AI, you can recognize images, video, text, many more. Detect objects, remove background, text to image to image, expand image, frame interpolation, erase and replace, infinite image, backdrop remix, image variation, text to 3D texture, colorize, upscale image, replace background, blur background, export alpha matte, also add green background. In video can do inpainting, text to color grade, super slow motion, blur face, bokeh, scene detection, motion tracking, green background. You can also experiment with pre-built models that can perform a variety of tasks. Also make text to image generation, text to 3D texture, generate subtitles, generate transcript and many more. There are various types of templates, effects, filters that you can use for your business as well. There are some paid tools that offer some more great features. You can also browse other creators' work to find inspiration and learn from their techniques. You can read individual articles to help structure your project. If you have any questions, or anything want to know, just type runwayml.com and check out the site. So what are you waiting for? Take your creativity to the next level with Runway AI today.